everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and I love making air popped popcorn at home. And this Orville Redenbacher's original gourmet popping corn kernels is just so delicious. And it's so fun to be able to add my own different flavors to it. I enjoy it so much and I make it constantly. So I love that it comes in such a large 8-pound container, which is super easy to pour because of the nice handle. The kernels pop nicely and the popcorn comes out so airy and fluffy, and it tastes so good. And it is so fun to add candies to it. My niece loves to add her chocolate chips to it, so she gets a little bit of the salty and the sweetness. And our movie nights wouldn't be half as fun without our air popped popcorn by Redenbacher. We love the flavor of this popcorn and we love to add whatever other flavors we like. Sometimes we make it salty, sometimes we make it sweet, but it's so delicious. And that's our point of view.